Number 3. Find the LCM of 7p square q and 26pq square. Solution. Solution. Now, for us to solve this, we use our table. We have 26pq square and we have 7p square q. Now, the first thing, looking at the numeric part, we can see that we have 7 here. 7, we can use 7 first. 7p square q divided by 7. 7 will go. We have p square q. 26 is not divisible by 7. Or we say 7 is not a factor of 26. So we copy and paste. Now, 7 is no more here. We don't have any number here. Let's come to this side. We must exhaust everything. That's the rule. So now, 26 now. What number will divide 26? We can use 2. Now, looking at what we have here, 2 cannot divide anything else. So we still write this. Then, 26 divided by 2, what do we have? 13. Now, we still have a number here, which is 13. We write 13. Dividing this, no, we still copy and paste. Now, 13 divided by 13, 1. So, we don't have 13 here again because 13 divided by 13 is 1. So, we have pq squared. We are done with the numeric part. Now, let's handle the non-numeric. Looking at what we have here, we can bring out p. P. Now, p squared q divided by p, what will you have? That is p, because p squared divided by p, we have p. So we still have pq here. And here, what are we having? pq squared. P divided by p, what do we have? 1. So we have q squared left here. Can you see that we still have p here? We must exhaust everything. We can bring out p. pq divided by p, what do we have? We have q. Now, q squared divided by p. Q squared is not a multiple of p, or p is not a factor of q squared. So we still write the same q squared here. Now, we don't have anything like p. We go to q. Using q now. Q divided by q, what do we have? 1. Now, q squared divided by q, what do we have? We have q. We must have 1 here at the end of everything. So we still have q here. We bring out q. Now, 1 divided by q, no. We can't use that. So we just copy and paste 1 here. Q divided by q, then we have 1. So at the end of everything, we have 1, 1. That is the target. So in that case, what we have left here is we form the product for the LCM of what we have to find. So we have LCM of 7p squared q and 26pq squared to be equal to what? The product of 7 times 2 times 13 then times p times q times q. So in this case, we can do 7 times, what is 2 times 13? That's 26. Then we have p times p, that's p squared. We have p squared times, what do we have? Q times q, what do we have? Q squared. Now, multiplying 7 by 26. 26 times 7, what will you have? 7 times 6, that is 42. 7 times 6, that's it from the back. 42, we carry 4. We write down 2, we carry 4. 7 times 2, that is 14. So now, 14 plus 4, that is what? 18. So we have 182. 182 what? P square Q square. So you can see the answer is 182 P square Q square. That is the LCM. And that's the solution to the problem. Thank you.